Now let's learn some initials. There are 21 initials in Chinese, and first group is bo, po, mo, fo, and then de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he. They are quite similar to English, but the red part are quite difficult, so we need more practice. Ji, qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi, ri. For example, China, 中国, not 中国. 日本人 is not 日本人. And when you pronounce 日, don't round your lip like a r. So Japanese is 日本人, not 日本人. So let's compare. We will compare like this. So the first one, 知, 鸡, 吃, 七, 诗, 西. For example, my name is 我叫, not 叫. In goodbye, 再见 it's 见, not 见. And I'm from 我是, not 我系. In thank you, 谢谢, not 谢谢. And last group is 滋, 吃, 思. And we'll compare again like this. 滋, 知, 吃, 吃, 思, 诗. For example, 你叫什么名字? What's your name? 名字, not 名字. And I'm from 我是, not 我是. And we are going to compare the other group like this. 滋, 鸡, 吃, 七, 思, 西. For example, my name is 我叫, not 我叫. And in Spain, 西班牙, not 西班牙. Here they are. You can try some exercise that I leave you. If you find it's quite hard to accomplish, it's normal. Don't be afraid of that. We need more practice.